love. No feelings involved, but you might fall in love. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to just jump right into the video. As you can see right now, I'm getting ready to bleach my frontal wig, the same wig from my previous video, Silly Hair. I used 30 volume, I don't know the brand, I think it's just any brand, I got it from my hair store. 30 volume and 1 pack of the B&W powder, and I mixed that in a bowl until it was nice and thick. When I say thick, I mean kitchen thick. I'm talking about just gotta perm your hair, grew back thick. I'm talking about 4D thick. Like, basically you want your mixture to be thick enough where it doesn't drip or it won't bleed through the lace, so your roots won't be blonde. So I made a mistake a little bit because I made it too thick where some of my knots still were not bleached. It looks good at the end, but you know, up close, me personally, I would rather it be better. But like I said, this is my first time, so I think I did well, like A+ for my first time. Okay, B- for my first time. But yeah, so you see here, I am patting the bleach onto the lace very carefully. I know it looks like I'm just slab dabbing it on there, but I'm really not. Just put it on there carefully, slowly. Do not press onto it because you do not want to send that bleach through them to them roots and have your roots blonde, okay? So continue to pat it in. So this is the ending result after I bleached it. I let it sit on there for about 25 to 30 minutes. After that, I rinsed it out with the Shimmer Lights shampoo to tone down any redness or brassiness. Look at me. Sound like professional. You hear me? But anyway, so now I'm just checking to make sure the knots are bleached, which they are. But like I stated previously, some of them weren't, but this is my first time. Now I'm going to go in and pluck the hairline. The hairline did come pre-plucked and it wasn't horrible, but it wasn't the way I wanted it. So I parted the hairline and plucked behind it for a good 30 minutes, and this was the ending result. I'm going to take an elastic band that I also purchased from my local beauty supply store. This is not the one I prefer, but this is the one they had, so therefore I will be using this. Cut it and attach it to my frontal wig for more security. So the elastic band is on. I put the wig on my head. There is no cap under there, and this is how it looks. All I need to do is cut the lace off, do my bald cap, and we in there. Honestly, I think it looks really good. So guys, now I'm about to try the bald cap method, okay? So my hair is braided up. The wig is done, it's plucked, it's bleached, got the elastic band, and I cut off the lace. So I'm gonna do the stocking cap method. I got these stocking, well, they knee highs. I got them from Rite Aid. They were 69. Ooh, these joints tight. Okay, now I see why you probably wouldn't use these. I mean, you can still use them. Alright, so So I'm gonna just do what I be seeing them do on YouTube. Oh, my eyes. My eyes. Hold on. Okay. This is what I see. Cause this. Then you take your got to be. Maybe I should brush my edges back. Should I chalk it? Should I brush it back or should I just chalk it? Alright y'all, I'm just chalk it right now. Whoa, that joint cool. That joint cool. So that joint cool. Alright, I think that's enough right there. That's enough. We don't need all that. And now I'm gonna blow dry a little bit off camera. Okay, so this is after spray, blow, spray, blow. So it's two. Okay. Now I'm going to take some. This is a contour palette. I don't know which one. I think I'm gonna try this one, the darkest one. Here I'm just using my witch hazel to remove any excess dirt and oil from the hairline, so when I put the got to be on there, it sticks to my skin, because if it's dirt and oil, it's not going to stick at all. So just remove that. Here, I'm just sealing the ends of the cap. Anything that's, you know, rolled back, I'm going to roll it forward and stick it down with the Got2b. Then I'm going to take my blow dryer on the coolest setting and dry the front so it stays down. You want that flat for when you put your wig on there. Ain't nothing bumping, lumping coming up, okay? We don't want no bumps in the road. You feel me? Also, I am using the end of a rat tail comb because when you use your fingers naturally have oils. So you could put oil on your skin, on your stocking, on the glue, therefore it won't stick. Plus, you just don't want your hands to be sticky while you're grabbing hair and all this and all that. So the rat tail comb to press it down is the best technique. I'm not even gonna hold you. I was dumb excited doing this, John, because I'm like, yo, this mug really look like it's coming out my scalp, like, period, yeah. Now, I did have some difficulties because, like, some places it was lifting, but, you know, it wasn't terrible. And I just kept reminding myself, this is my first time, like, look what you're doing on your first time. Imagine on your 17th, your 2500th try. Like, progress. Alright guys, so I low-key was rushing because I was going out later on that night and I really wanted my hair done. So these videos are from that night. Overall, I think my frontal came out really good. I do see room for improvement, but like I said, this is my first time. So comment below some tips for next time. Like the video, subscribe.
Love my attitude, so he call me low brat. He love me long time, cause it's cash, yeah, I match that. Never